The scent of garlic frying in hot oil hits you before you even see the shop. A row of metal trays sits on a wooden counter, each holding a different local dish. This is the heart of a Karinderia, a neighborhood eatery that serves honest home-style food. You do not need a fancy hotel reservation to find authentic flavor. You only need to know where to look. Karinderia food tours offer a direct line to the soul of Filipino cuisine. They give you a chance to eat well for just a few dollars. A Karinderia is more than a place to grab lunch. It is a social hub. Office workers, construction crews, and students sit side by side in these shops. These shops rely on the quality of their cooking rather than polished marketing. You will usually find Karinderias on street corners, inside public markets, or tucked into busy residential alleys. The food is cooked in large batches early in the morning. When you walk in, you see the options immediately and point at the tray you want. Seeing the food lets you judge its freshness and texture before you buy. You also control your portions, which helps manage hunger and budget.
Must-try dishes at local eatery. The menu in a Karinderia changes daily, but certain staples appear in almost every shop. These recipes have been passed down through generations. Start your meal with a national favorite, adobo. This dish uses soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and peppercorns to create a perfect balance of salt and tang. You might find it made with chicken, pork, or a mix of both. For a warm, comforting option, order sinigang. This sour soup relies on tamarind to give it a sharp, tangy flavor that cuts through the fat of the pork or shrimp.
It comes packed with seasonal vegetables like kangkong, radish, and okra. The combination of the hot, sour broth and fresh greens makes it a staple for a reason. If you want something heartier, look for kare. This is a thick oxtail stew simmered in a savory peanut sauce and served with shrimp paste on the side. For a quick, crispy bite, fried milkfish, known as daing na bangus, is a classic choice. It is marinated in vinegar and garlic, fried until golden, and pairs perfectly with a side of steamed white rice. Tips for sampling street food safely. Street food stalls often sit right next to Karinderias. They offer snacks that are fast, cheap, and undeniably bold. While the variety is exciting, safety matters. Choose vendors who prepare food right in front of you. Steam and heat are your friends here. A vendor frying items in a fresh pan is much safer than one selling cold, pre-cooked food. Start your taste test with kwek, which are hard-boiled quail eggs coated in orange batter and deep-fried. They are crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. If you feel brave, try Isaw, which consists of skewered chicken or pork intestines grilled over charcoal. It has a chewy texture and a smoky flavor that locals love. For those who want a true challenge, look for palate.
Tips for sampling street food safely. Street food stalls often sit right next to Karinderias. They offer snacks that are fast, cheap, and undeniably bold. Start your tastes of the local food scene. Local etiquette and cultural insights. Dining in a Filipino eatery comes with its own social rhythm. Most people eat with a spoon and fork, pushing the food onto the spoon with a fork. In some rural areas, you might see people using their hands, known as kamayan, but the spoon and fork are standard in cities. If you sit at a shared table, a nod or a polite kaintayo, which means let's eat, is a friendly way to acknowledge the people next to you. Do not forget to pair your meal with a cold drink. The heat of the day demands a refreshing beverage. Look for sagot gulaman, a sweet drink filled with tapioca pearls and jelly cubes. It provides a sugary contrast to the salty, savory lunch you just finished. Buko juice or fresh young coconut water is another great choice that keeps you hydrated. When you finish your meal, do not rush out.
Take a moment to enjoy the atmosphere. If you really love a specific condiment or sauce, ask if the shop sells it by the bottle. Many small eateries make their own chile oil or vinegar dips that you cannot find in supermarkets. Bringing a bottle home is the best way to keep the flavor of your tour alive after you leave. Starting your own culinary adventure. Karinderia tours are about more than filling your stomach. They are about connecting with a community through the universal language of food. You gain a real look at how people live, work, and eat every single day. By stepping away from the tourist path and sitting on a plastic stool in a local spot, you turn a meal into an experience. Start small. Pick a neighborhood, find a busy corner, and pull up a chair. Order the house specialty. Talk to the cook. Most of all, be open to trying whatever is on the menu. Authentic Filipino food is waiting for you in the humble kitchens of the neighborhood Karinderia. Your next favorite meal might be just around the corner. We take your taste buds on an adventurous ride with exciting street food challenges, diving into succulent offerings like Isaw, grilled chicken intestines. Don't miss this ultimate foodie adventure filled with fun, flavor, and a dash of excitement. Hit to subscribe for a taste of the Philippines.